Our director sir, respected principal sir, all teachers and my dear friends. Have a nice and pleasant morning to all of you. Myself Rahul Kumar of Standard 10. And first of all, I wish all of you many happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating our 79th Independence Day, and today I am very glad to get this opportunity to say something on this day. Independence Day, celebrated on August 15th every year, marks India's independence from British colonial rule. It is a day of national pride and freedom and a struggle freedom, and it is a reminder of the responsibilities that we get after freedom. Independence Day is a significant event in Indian history, signifying the struggle which occurred during getting the freedom from British colonial rule. Our freedom fighters played a crucial role and sacrificed their lives in their fight of freedom. They inspired other peoples by sacrificing their lives, families and dreams for the nation's freedom. These were Indian freedom fighters who played a crucial role in India's freedom by inspiring our national unity by their dedication and ultimately leading our country to self-independence. These were Indian freedom fighters who sacrificed their whole lives as Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, who played very important role in their fight of freedom and make India free. Our freedom fighters include various movements like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and Quit India movement, challenging British authority and disrupt their rules. They faced imprisonment, exile, and even death in their fight of freedom. But finally, their sacrifice achieved what they want, and India became independent on 15th August 1947. On this day, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi, followed by a speech that reflects the nation's journey and future aspirations. On this day, school, colleges, and other institutions organize flag hosting ceremonies, cultural programs, and patriotic events to celebrate this day. At last, I want to say that Independence Day is not just about celebrating our freedom, it is also a reminder of our responsibilities that we get with freedom. It is a call to action for all citizens to contribute to the nation's progress. As a students, we can contribute in building of our nation by being good citizens, following the rules, and work for the betterment of a grateful India. That's all. Thank you.